This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4325 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features a Stratton Decor, Driftwood Glazed Maple interior, sleeps 4, TV antenna, self-contained, slide-out, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, external shower, stove top burner, air conditioning, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4325 is built on a Spartan K2 Tag Axle chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.